you for coming. And I was about to make a joke, but Kilimanjaro, ESL. Thank you. David, Colin, Megan, Mac, Sylvia, Jonas, Mitchell, Nate. Can we get a suggestion of anything at all?
Waterfall. Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Really? Just gonna take one quick look and then walk on by?
Should I stay?
I don't know. I mean, it's the Majestic Falls.
Wow.
Third greatest waterfall section of this park. What are you doing? Okay.
Sorry. I'm in a mood. I'm in a good mood. My name's Ben.
I'm Charlie. You want to try waterfall fishing? That's what I'm here for.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I would love to. I gotta tell you, Ben. I'm Ben. You're Charlie. I met somebody, and I think I'm in love. Give me a pull.
Okay. Alright, pretty simple. All you gotta do, you cast it in there, see if you catch a fish that's stupid enough to fall out the waterfall.
I think I already caught the fish that I'm looking to catch.
Okay, the girl you're dating, huh?
Yeah. Cool.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot of line you put out.
Oh! I think I got something. Holy shit.
Whoa! I didn't think it. Hang on, let me get the.
Holy fuck!
Wait a second. What the hell is this thing? You've been living in my waterfall?
Is this your daughter, Charlie?
I can.
Caroline! Oh shit!
Well, Dad, I belong to him then. He caught me.
No.
I mean,
According to the parks, I literally just met somebody and we're in love.
You caught me in the waterfall. I belong to you.
I know.
Look, technically she's right. Park rules, you catch it, you own it. But Caroline,
you're a person, you ain't a fish.
Okay, Dad. I'll forever love you.
alright, so tell the story again, because I'm not understanding it. I think you're confusing me.
I feel like I've been very clear. And obviously I've been telling this a long time. We're all really drunk.
Yeah.
I feel like you're not going to understand it anymore.
You're here.
I'm done trying to explain to you.
It's just that some of the details don't add up. I want to believe you, man. It sounds like an
Look,
epic
my daughter, I assume in a bid to boost my fish sales, disguised herself as like a mudkip and was, I guess, living in the waterfall during work hours.
When you say you assume, you haven't talked to her about this since the incident?
What's a mud kid?
Shut up, Brad! Shut up! I went over it before.
Look, I don't know what she was trying to be. Maybe she was trying to blend in with the rock wall. But
So you haven't spoken to her since?
Look, she and I, our relationship is a little strained right now, okay? On account of she tried to give herself away to some weirdo.
Yeah, well, I don't blame you.
Hey boys, I just want to let you know the shot wheel is about to be spun again.
Here, here!
So,
Here, here!
if you want more,
Here, here!
Boy,
Please don't spin the wheel. All right, we're the only people in here. We don't need more drinks.
no, it's the time!
Alright.
The shot is the Widowmaker.
Yeah!
16 different alcohol in one little glass.
Alright.
All right, go back to your story.
Hey, Mitch.
Yeah.
You understood my story, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. You lost your daughter someplace, you made up a fantasy.
No, how come no one believes me?
I hear this story all the time.
I've got a wife. Let's see that shot. Let's see that shot.
Bert, no,
Respect the bar. Respect the wood of the bar.
Am I walking?
Bert, come on, man. What are you doing, Bert?
Bird knows how to tweet.
Look, I feel like if anything, we should get past my story, which is real, and we should figure out, Bert, what the hell's wrong with you, man?
What isn't wrong with Bird?
Bert.
Right. Should we tell him?
We found the paperwork today. He wants to be Bird.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
It's,
Welcome to FBI headquarters, Caroline. I'll get right to it. We suspect that the Koreans are planting underwater cells, and we need somebody who can specialize as an undercover mud.
Top secret files coming through. Top secret files.
Don't
Yeah, we want to
announce
keep this aisle open. A lot of top secret files coming through here. The top secret file aisle.
That's me.
Top secret files. Top secret files.
Give me a mud kip.
Well, we heard through the grapevine, and by the grapevine I mean the bar, the old Fisherman's Cross on the corner. A lot of
Top
stories
secret
of-
flies. Top secret flies.
Yeah, just keep the aisle open right here. Sorry. Top secret fly aisle. There was a very ambiguous and sort of confusing story, but if I overheard what I think I did, you're quite the mudkip.
Open.
Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Get out of the top secret file aisle! There's top secret files and flags coming through here.
Sorry.
The bathroom, it's to your left. Caroline?
I'm here.
What?
I've been here the whole time. See, I'm great. I'm good.
But that was just a mudkip just now.
That was me.
The stories are true.
We're looking for a mud kip. I'm your gal.
You are my gal. Our gal. The FBI's gal.
Yeah.
I'm not hitting on you. That wouldn't be appropriate here at the FBI. So you just keep the aisle clear.
If you want me, though, I can be yours. I'm totally available.
I do, but it wouldn't be right. I'm on the job. It's a professional thing. I can't do it.
Anderson, I'm looking over these expense reports here.
Yeah, I saw those reports.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here on page 43.
Just your typical standard undercover mudkip action.
Right. Okay. Well,
Nothing else.
that says 43A, and I go to 43B, which is on page 162, and that says gal. FBI doesn't employ gals. What's going on?
Well, you see, our undercover special agent to be the mudkip happens to be an outside gal that I brought in just for the mission.
What mission? Is this a top secret? Should I know this mission?
Well, it's one of the Korean underwater cells.
All right. You said it under your breath enough. I know it's official.
Yeah, that's.
Just make sure that this gal can yield some fruit, all right? Because we've had a lot of gals a little bit lately not being so fruity, if you know what I'm saying.
Well, she's definitely hands-on.
All right, well, that better be sexual as well as professional. All right, I've looked at this enough and pointed at it. You can have it back, and
Wait.
I will. Yes.
You're saying it better be sexual as well as professional?
I don't know how to make myself clear. Let me see that again.
Okay.
You know, when I hired you, I wasn't sure if you could do the job, but looking at your collage work.
You were right to come to Human Resources. Explain to me what the problem is that Stansfield didn't understand.
Well, it seems that he's encouraging a sexual/professional relationship with this outside gal that I have going undercover for me, but slam! Oh!
You're telling me you're not fucking your gal?
Yeah, I thought it was against the rules, HR.
Stupid son of a bitch!
Sorry, Buttons.
Bring your cat to work day.
I know what it is!
I'm sorry. Of course you do.
Listen to me. The only reason the FBI got in the business of employing women is so we could fuck them. We don't get paid a lot. We gotta have some incentive to come into work. You're gonna start hiring women that you're not fucking. You're gonna make us all look like assholes.
I'm sorry, HR. I just trying to keep it professional. Keep it
Oh, sorry. I got your nip.
Yeah, I did.
What do you want to name him, sweetheart? I was thinking like. I was
in the other room.
He's so ferocious. He's such a go-getter.
Yeah, what's his ferocious name?
HR. Like initials. He's choking. Okay, little HR. Okay.
We should have gotten a cat instead.
Yeah. This guy's got an engine on him.
He sure does.
He's ready to purr. He's ready to go out and
Sorry you can't bring babies back. This is an adoption agency and an adoption hawk sale.
He's just, oh no, don't use that word hawk sale. That's so offensive. It's just that this one's a little loud. And we were hoping for ambitious, but mellow.
What kind of money are we looking to spend more money? Or are we looking just to keep things status quo?
So I can't send you back.
I didn't say that. I'm asking what kind of money you're looking. What's your budget?
Well, I don't really want to spend any more, but I don't want to. I guess
Well.
$32,000.
You're going about this the wrong way, pal. You gotta find a way to make some money off whatever the hell that is.
It's a human baby.
Is that what that is?
Yes, this is HR. He's gonna go be somebody someday. It's just too much for me right now.
Here's what I'm thinking you get into. Foley artist. Do
Okay.
you know what that is, or shall I explain?
It's like sound effects.
Exactly.
Okay.
Your baby's. Oh, you hear that? That sounded like a swoosh sound.
Let's get him in the studio.
My door's right here.
Oh, you're also a producer.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Is he cool?
He's cool.
All right, I'll see you later.
The two of you. Okay. All right. Dexter was my number one, but I thought you'd work together. But now the baby's gonna have to do the Foley art for this entire CSI episode.
Oh boy.
You think you can do it?
He's ready.
All right, let's play the clip.
Give it your best HR.
Oh.
What do you want from me?
She fired a gun. Do a gun sound.
Come on, baby. Come on, sweetie.
I'm sorry. Hang on. I didn't edit this. The directors walked into the shot. Hang on. Let me just get past this. I'm gonna fast forward. The shop. I'm so sorry. This is so professional. Why is catering even on the shot? I'm so sorry. I'm fast forwarding. Wow, this is why it's so expensive. You just dumped a water bottle. Okay, you fucked up the makeup. I'm so sorry. This is so unprofessional. Oh, it looks like it's clearing. Oh, makeup. Catering killed himself and no one noticed. Now he's smoking pot. I am so sorry to all the makeup guys wasting on corpse. I am so sorry. Eventually this goes. Okay, eventually it gets through the episode.
You keep it down, HR is nasty.
I'm so sorry. I'll be quiet. Guys, convinced the shot's gonna work. You know what? Let me just call the, I'll just keep playing.
Hello?
Yeah, let me call you back
I
later.
thought you were gonna. I got this. I sensed you were about to call me.
Yeah, just hang on, Larry.
I got you. Okay.
When do we get paid?
Pause. I want to apologize. This makes me look really stupid that I didn't go through this footage.
Why did you change your mind, Jeff?
Shut up,
I
Larry.
mean, you clearly were going to call me, and then for some reason you just changed your mind.
Look, I'm having a crisis here, okay? CSI gave me bad footage.
Oh shit.
I don't know. I say hang up on these people. They call you their friends, but they're only waiting for you to call or to call you with a complaint.
Right?
You're a producer, but you don't produce a family with me like I need you to.
If you want me to valet the car, I need the keys.
We all need the keys.
Okay.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick. I don't want no scrubs. Please stick to the rivers and lakes they used to.
There's a line.
I made a joke.
Listen, if you want to work in this hospital, you're gonna wear these scrubs.
I don't want to work in this hospital if I have to wear these goddamn scrubs.
You have to wear these scrubs.
I'm gonna wear shorts and I don't give a shit.
You take those shorts off.
I want to wear them. I want to wear them.
You wear them.
Quiet. Maternity ward. Sorry.
They're so cute.
Okay, this clip of Chicago MD's going pretty well. So if we can get your baby in here, if we can get some of the Foley going.
Go through this, HR?
Okay, I'm gonna wait for the sound effects.
I'm gonna operate
You want
on
to test his levels?
Yeah, can we test this?
Down on the bed so I can
I gotta say, you seemed a lot shadier out on the street when you first approached me. You're very calm demeanor in your own habitat.
Thank you. I mean, it's tough to get these kind of jobs. Okay, wait, we can go close ripping. We can close ripping. Wait, what's happening? Why did the director stop it?
Don't you dare!
No. Where's the director? Oh, come on!
sweetheart.
Yes.
I met somebody else. I know.
My mother told me you were going to do this to me.
Dolores told you about this?
She did. But who is this harlot that you met?
It's me.
A mud skipper? That was very staged. I feel like he wrote a script. He said, come in on this line from the foyer. Yes,
He said, wait in the bathroom when you're done. Don't flush. Just come out with it here. And I said, okay, I'm gonna flush.
I call it foyer, she calls it bathroom.
well, she's a low-level fucking arthropod. I doubt she would know what a foyer even is.
I've taken theater before.
Oh my god. Do you know how badly I wanted to put something heavy on her?
No, don't!
If
you must do it, please.
No, you need to have some self-respect, okay? You can't just let people put heavy things on you.
I've been training all my life to be a mud skipper. If it means to bear heavy things on me, I must.
No, I mean like I wanted to murder you.
Murder me.
No, stop.
Murder me.
You're in love with this?
This is what I love about her!
What?
She's totally off the grid.
What?
Yeah.
I don't, what?
We met under really weird circumstances.
Do tell.
He caught me. He caught me out of a beautiful waterfall. And I have to be his. I have to be yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
What? How am I even involved in this?
You're together.
Shirley, we're just not understanding this crazy story. Just make it clear what the hell you're talking about.
No, okay,
like
let me.
peace.
All right,
by-
I'll start.
Yeah!
Who brought the audience to my girls' night confessional?
Woo!
It felt like since the breakup you needed a confidence booster, so this person's just gonna love everything you do.
45 minutes!
Okay, don't call out how much we paid you for it.
Look, I don't think you guys are understanding how serious this is. My whole world fell. You're not even looking at me. I can tell by the dullness in your eyes. That's not a funny moment. Thank you. This is real. No.
Woo! Yeah, you do!
God, I'm gonna spin the shot wheel because I am not having as much fun as you are, okay?
Alright,
All
but
right.
I guess go talk to the hot bartender who does the shot wheel.
I will. I hope this thunder from down under will dance on the bar if you know what I mean.
40
Hi.
minutes.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's going pretty well.
I need to join this party because my party is really depressing.
Sure, give me a spin. I'm on yours.
All right. Here we go.
Ooh! Okay. No, you didn't.
Oh, great. Chamomile tea shots. That's...
Yeah!
If you can unbind me, I'll get those for you.
Oh!
I don't know. You seem like you're just gonna run away.
The dailies are kind of a mess today because the director spun the shot wheel and it just landed on a bunch of shots.
Tim Daly is drunk as fuck!
Oh,
Okay, it's alright.
Jesus
It's
Christ!
alright, it's alright. He's still working?
I don't know. I gotta find John Daly. He's out of control!
Okay. Alright, so anyway, this episode of the dailies.
Time! Time! No, put that gun down! No, time!
Wait, how many are there's Ty?
There's Tyne,
Time?
Tim.
Tim
There's
and
siblings.
John.
And John is unrelated.
Okay.
But spells the name the same way.
Okay.
They all are, it's a big brother scenario, but it's scripted.
Are you asking me to edit this show that clearly is done very
I was supposed to come to get your coffee order. I overheard some information. I thought I'd let you know.
Cool, I'll take just a regular.
Great.
Just one regular today, huh? Okay. Is that you know what size?
I don't like to write things down. It makes me seem more efficient if I
We've
can
got a new
memorize
Tim
it all.
McGraw. Just hot off the presses. If they press CDs. You know, I'm
Let me
off in
see if you
about 4 hours. So
Look, I'm not gonna take you out. I know you keep hinting about that, but I would just like a one regular. Let's just make it a medium. I'll head back and see if that's okay, and then I'm gonna get the rest of the crew's order.
It's a grande.
I'm sorry.
It's a grande. It would be known as a grande.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I apologize. Okay.
Right. So no CDs today. Okay. What do you
No
think?
CDs, just coffee.
Okay, that'll be 1047.
Great.
And we're charging you.
Well, it's not my money. It's the studio's money.
Okay, well then I'll just put it regular price. That's 250. So how's your wife? Or do you have a wife? What's going on? I don't know how production systems work.
No, I don't have anybody.
You're supposed to keep a smile here. That's fine. Can we receive?
I need it for expenses, yes. Here's a number for a suicide hotline. I don't know if that would be helpful for you, but
single?
there's a bunch of people working there.
Oh my god, well one of them has to be. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll be back with Jan de Bond's order. He's directing this.
Oh.
Dude, I gotta thank you, man. I gotta thank you, dude, for helping me distribute my
Top secret
card.
files!
Oh, shit. I gotta thank you, man. You've been handing out my business cards, and people have been phoning me all the time.
Good. I know, like these big megaphone, phone mega banks, so impersonal. Oh, the
Top secret
megaphone.
flies, top secret flies.
No, the okay.
Flies.
I like the intimate touch you give people. It's so smart.
Yeah, my numbers are way up.
Yeah, good. How's your success rate?
It's not great, I guess, but hey, man, you want to go out sometime?
I'm not interested right now. I'm sorry.
Love montage, two people falling in love. Love montage, two
Okay,
people falling
here we got
in
this. This is
love.
Modern Family. And so we see, okay, they're on a gondola. So it's, what's the daughter's name? It's the daughter and her boyfriend. Okay, so we could use some running footsteps.
Oh shit, I'll edit out that deaf guy.
Oh, okay, can we get ice cream licks? I'm sorry, it's going so fast. I don't know how to keep up. Go, yep, ice cream lick, ice cream lick. Okay, now they're going to the...
He's starting to, HR is starting to pee. It sounds kind of like a waterfall. Can you use that?
Well, let me, I'm watching. Oh, no, we need stabs, Oh. Okay. I'm surprised that the, okay. Alright. Actors got free reign on this take. Oh, they're disemboweling him. And they're oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, come on, this isn't Modern Family. What? This is just dark. Oh, no, come on. Oh, come on. They planned this. There's blood everywhere.
A waterfall.
Ready? Do it. Is there something peeing this whole time?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You gonna get that?
I'll push my phone. Yeah, hello? Damn it. But if you go in there, I can't follow you.
Goodbye, my love.
End cut. Yeah, I just, I don't see how people are going to understand this story in this episode.
I think it's quite clear. Waterfalls are the essence of life. Love is the essence of life. I think it's murder is the essence of murder and death. It all comes back to life.
Everyone else gets it?
Your actors have one?
What do you think, Axel Foley? It's Axel Foley.
I think it's great!